Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the Linux, Christini, feature and meeting prerequisites. First, open Settings and search Linux. Enable it now. Once done, choose disk size and container name, make adjustments based on free space. Make sure to stay on a plugged-in power source and a stable network during install. You'll see a download and setup phase. Wait for the terminal to appear. If the option is missing, you likely need a firmware update or Chrome OS Flex build that supports Christini. Once the terminal is ready, you run apt update and apt upgrade to get current packages. You'll install core tools, Git, Vim, Build Essential, or use a GUI like GNOME software if installed. This gives you compilers and editors. Next, configure folder sharing and USB device access in Chrome OS Flex settings so files move seamlessly between Linux and Chrome. Make sure to set your locale and time zone to avoid locale warnings. If you need GUI apps, install a lightweight desktop package. To finish, test a GUI app and confirm file sharing works. Open a text editor, play audio, and validate printing if used. Once done, tweak GPU acceleration or audio pass-through in settings for better performance. Make sure to update the container regularly with apt full upgrade and remove unused packages. If something breaks, check /var/log/syslog and dmesc for errors, then restart the Linux container. As a last resort, you can back up your home folder and recreate the container to resolve corrupted installations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.